Warning: you will hear adult language in this video. If you are offended by adult language, student of the game FX is not liable for the damage done to your virgin ears. We got the bottom here, and then this is another bottom that's higher than this bottom. We got this high, higher is lower than this high. I mean, this high is higher than this high, and we just kind of broke the slow. But I think that, you know, we have to look for this area for a bounce. And the reason for that is because I said so. And so now we're going to see what happens. We also want to look on the 1 hour. We did break this low. Right, meow. Oh, man. We broke this low, right, meow. And so we're just kind of looking at these areas of interest here. See what happens. But we are in an uptrend, and yeah, the only thing that we have to look forward to here is on the lower time frame. We broke this low, but we'll see what happens. Okay, big dick to the sky, pretty good. Let's see what happens. What do we got? So we have on the one. Let's mark it on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we kind of have this area here, which I think translates to this area here. And there we go. So we want price to come back up in here and then sell off. U O A. Okay, see, I could have bought up to there, but I'm trash. I don't think price is gonna sell off, y'all. That's a lot of momentum. It's like there's a lot of wicks creating buying pressure right here. You know, I'm not like the best at trading, but that do look like an uptrend. So if you look over here, I mean, we haven't really done much, but just we have one impulse down, right? But everything else is like, woo. If we broke this low though, I'd be like, ooh, let's sell that. But I think we gotta just pay attention to what price is telling us right now. So I want it to come back over here and then I'll buy, I think. Or it could just do whatever it wants to do. Oh, or my original idea was just to sell. And if I sold, it wouldn't be like too high of a sum game here. Like, I don't see much to sell to. We are kind of in like a short-term downtrendish structure, but I feel like the higher time frame is just so much stronger, right, meow? So what we can do is possibly sell to like here or here for a little scalp. I'm not great at scalping, but we're gonna find out if it works for me. Spread is 2 pips right now, so let's see. Let's do an 8 pipper. 8 pip pumper, right? And we'll go down to here and we'll just go crazy with it. We'll go crazy with it right now. We'll take profit. Well, 8 pips. Let's just do like a 1 to 5. Basically, I don't want to do it based on my like risk to reward right now. I just want to like find a good target area. This is the safest. I haven't learned how to take partials either, so let's see if she's ready to drop after tapping that zone. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Oh wait, hey, stop chopping up. No, hey, I should have taken profit so much right now. Let's go to the 30-minute. There's too much suspense. Oh my God, she got me. She got me. She still ain't broke out of the zone, but oh, there it is. See, 5-minute. Let's go. Let's get it. That's the one right there, y'all. That's the freaking one. Do another 8 pipper. I'm risking 0.5% on these, so I'm still gonna be, you know, doing pretty good if I miss a few. Was that a win? That's a win. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Look at that. 2% right there. 2% right there. Now, we just broke the low right here on the lower time frame, or 1 hour. It did come to our zone and then dump. So what we want to do now is we want to see how it returns like down to this area and see if it will break down into here somewhere, right? So let's see what happens. I mean, I'll advance on the 15-minute just because it's a little bit slower. We can actually catch price action. That's a huge ass dump to the bottom, right? I don't want to like, so what I'm looking at here is we got on the 1 hour, we got we got this area here, right? And that's kind of what I'm watching. I want to see if price breaks that, potentially. I really wanted to see it break this for a sell, because that would be pretty substantial. I think that should, yeah, that area shows up on the 4 hour, but we will see what happens. So I'm down the 5-minute. I just want to see how this price is going through at this area. We're still under this here, so we want to see what happens around there. Okay, it said fuck you, so that means that we should bounce up pretty well. I'll see if I can get a retest off of this, or it's just gonna go away without me. There we go. Okay, so if we get a bullish candle out of the zone right here, see the zone here, if we get a bullish candle out, then I'll take a buy. This is looking like a goddamn fucking Ninja Turtle weapon, but I think it'll be okay. I do like that. Might be too soon, but let's see. So if I put a I mean, we could just risk it like we have been, huh? If I put my stop loss outside of the zone, it's 16 pips. And if I sell, or if I buy all the way up to here, that's 76 pips. So that's let's do some math. Right? So we got, wait, I'm just, okay. So like 1 to 4, pretty much. Okay. We're on the 5-minute, keep in mind. Let's go up to the 15. Get up there. What are you doing? No, A. Normally I would want to take something off here, but what if I was asleep? Come on, just let it hold, just hold it, baby. Just come on, you got the, yeah, the little engine that could. Okay, so we got that. That was a good trade. Let's recap on that. We drew our 1 hour zone here, and we came back down. Price, we got the sell from here. We did lose 0.5%, but then we got the sell down to here conservatively. And then once the price came in here, we made this like Ninja Turtle type weapon thing, but then it actually filled up. So it broke structure here, showing that this was like a little weak, and came back up and then came back down, but didn't break past this low. Made a bullish candle going out of the zone. And then our next target was back to where we came. Because if you look, we didn't really look at this, but I was just looking at the zone and being like, yeah, I'm gonna target it. But now if I'm looking at it, I mean, all this is just missing price on the 1 hour. So you just fill that shit in, right? Like price needs to, I think price needs to fill it in. That's what people be telling me. So let's see what you got. Right now we're definitely in a bullish structure. Would like to see price come back down into here somewhere before taking off. It could just take off too. I mean, this is looking pretty good. Like this is this type of candle, like I would hope that it comes back to retest it. We did use that over here, so why don't we do this? Why don't we take another rectangle Just filling this shit with rectangles right now. And we're just gonna put it down here, right? We're gonna do this little mini one. We'll go down to our 5. If we get a bounce in, bounce out, then we're good to go. Or we're just good to go. Like this she just wants to, yeah, she just wants to take off. If I get another bullish candle, I'm going to hastily enter. That's not very strong. There we go. Okay. Do we take close enoughs? That is the question I ask myself all the time. I find that close enoughs are pretty risky. I think if I took a close enough here, I probably want to put my stop loss down here, which is another 15 pips stop loss. Let's go and check the daily before we do this. So daily's hella bullish. We still have this to fill in. So what I want to do is I actually just want to mark this off and then try to get up to that area. Right? And so now when we go down to our 5, what we can do is we can just enter on this close enough because it's making a little bit of a formation that we like. So 15 to, let's just say 90, huh? Even 90. I don't know what 15 out of 90 is. Let's do it again, huh? So 90 divided by 15 is 1 to 6. I don't know if I'm gonna catch that though. I'm pretty greedy right now. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, we're testing off of it. Oh no. Bruh. Come on. There we go. Yep, keep fighting up. There we go. That's what we like to see. Okay, let's go up to the 15. Yo, why are you playing with my emotions, Pyongyang? Oh my god, the close enough. The close enough. See, that's why you don't take close enoughs. That's why you don't take close enoughs. Jeez Louise. I still believe in this. That is 0.5% down. I should have done that on the 5-minute. It's okay. So we just broke structure here. Like microstructure, and then we came back down to retest it twice with these 2 wicks. So I'm going for it again, y'all. I'm going for it again, y'all. That is 15 pips, no more, no less. I just need a 1 to 6. I can pass FTMOs and all that nonsense all day if I just get a 1 to 6 every time I trade. Oh man, here we'll go for 91 just to give it a little flavor. Just get a little flavor. Spread is 2 pips, 2.5 pips, so that's okay. If it comes back down to here, I'm gonna not cry, but I'll have some watery eyes. And the watery eyes are out here. What am I doing? Okay, so that's 1% down, trying to catch the hero. Right? This thing is got big red candles on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, it still looks pretty weak. Like, it probably could just come down to here and then go back up. I don't see anything else on this chart. Like, daily, super bullish slash. Let's go over here. Look, daily's still bullish. We just came back down, made a low. The only thing is we didn't break. I mean, we didn't break this high here. On the 4 hour, I mean, pretty much the same thing. Yeah, I mean, I feel like one more bounce somewhere in around here, and then we go up. So I'm just gonna look on the 5-minute for that shift, and we'll see what happens. Look, this didn't break this. Come on, bro. This didn't break this low. This didn't break this low though. I'm getting it. I'll give 1.5% for this. It's fake money, right? This is practice for the big leagues, anyways. Like when I'm live trading, so it's almost. Yeah, I got to do it because my dumb ass would do this dumb shit in real life too. I have done it. I've lost a few FTMOs already. Like, well, I've had to repeat a few times, but I've only lost like 2. Just doing shit like this is fucking like, come on. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, okay. Wait. We good. The suspense. Oh, the suspense. Oh, don't do it. That's a double top. Oh my God, I should have known better than to trust you. Okay. What am I doing wrong here? So, it must have been in my earlier secrets that this high was never broken. So we are in some sort of consolidation pattern here. Call it a triangle, right? Call it whatever you want, but this is what I'm feeling, and I don't even know what this means. Like, it could break out either way, right? So I guess what we're doing is we're just looking to see if the low ping pongs again somewhere in here, right? Because if it ping pongs in here, there's a chance that it'll break out to the top. Or, I mean, okay. If that breaks, if this high breaks, then we're probably gonna break out at this point, huh? It'd be a really bad price, though. I don't want to get in like that, but let's go with 15-minute. It's a wick there. Oh, and that's the one. Okay. If it runs away without me, I'm gonna cry. Oh, no tears here. No tears here. Okay, look. This low was never broken. This low right here, it was never broken. This high was broken. I mean, there's still a chance for a head-ass red candle, but how much am I? I'm just risking the whole farm on this one damn trade. Shit is wild that I exist right now. This is... I'm just gonna go for the whole thing. 150. This thing's gonna dump, ain't it? It's about to dump. It's about to dump. Oh my God! That's savage. Okay. It did come down to our area. We're still in an uptrend on the higher time frame, though. Like, look at this. How do you not take this? Come on, how do you not take a buy here? This thing is like... let's someone get a lasso. I did say that if it came out down to here and test it, it's gonna break out to the top, didn't I? And then here it is. Oh my gosh! Listen to yourself. Okay, so now that we're in this area, I'm expecting price to continue possibly for a little bit. Let's go to the weekly. Look at this thing on my historical data. We got a big ass Wu-Tang, and then that's like the all-time high. Like, I don't know what the fuck. Whoo! All right, so we just tested up there. If we get some bearish momentum to the downside, I will probably take a trade. But it looks like we're just going to keep going. Okay, so we need to break this low for me to look for shorts. Otherwise, I'm just going to keep looking for buys. So to do that, let's go to the 1 hour, and we are making lows. No, we didn't break this low though. Like, not with a body or anything. It's just like there. But this looks like it came back up to retest this here. Let's throw a fib on just for fun. I haven't used a fib in this video, so I'm just gonna throw it on there just for fun. This is how I trade. I just do everything for fun. Probably why I lose. Let's see. We gotta go down to here. And look at this. I mean, we did tested our 78.6, whatever that means. You know, your boy Marco Fibonacci, he made these numbers, and they just exist, and they happen everywhere. So Marco Fibonacci, let's see what you got for the sell. Stop loss above here, 10 pips. Oh wait, that hadn't been tested yet. Let's go up above here. Let's go 18 pips. And the reason I'm doing 18 pips is because I'm about to break the world. You're about to see me do some stuff that no one has ever done before. Which is lose their entire account in backtesting. I'm going for this. I'm just going to go down to here because this is a daily area that just got broken. So I would assume, I mean, this is actually the safe one here, right? Because look at this fucking misprice on a 4 hour here. Let's go here and let's be conservative about it. I don't know what that is, but 18 into 150 or whatever, 160, I don't know. I'm scared to advance in the H4. I want to lose slowly. Come on. Oh my god, pound yen. Don't you do it. It came back up to test this one and then No! I'm still gonna find a way in, y'all. I don't give a fuck. I'm kidding. There we go. I'm gonna get that one. Okay. So 12 pip stop loss. We are gonna go down to here. I don't think I'm very focused, honestly. I think I'm just that's what the fuck was that? The spread that fucking bruh. Yo, like, yo, man, yo. Let's just see if this goes down. Like, oh, it doesn't. I was just wrong. It didn't. I mean, it never broke that low. Seems like the problem I have is I just don't listen to myself. How do you pick up this fib? What's going on here? I don't want this shit on my chart anymore. Oh yeah, I forgot it's like MT4. Damn. Let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get it. You know what? It's okay. I'm gonna come back to this, and I'm gonna be stronger than ever. Like, fucking like a hydra. You're gonna cut like they pound yen cut off my head right now, but I'm growing another one back. I promise you. I'm gonna get this. I swear I'll get this. But I'll do one more trade, right? And if that trade doesn't go my way, I'm cutting this shit. And we're going to come back and we're going to do another one. Like another day, another pair. I'm still saying that she going to sell down to here. Cause it never got, like, it's never been kissed. I mean, it got kissed one time, barely, just for a little bit though. Like, it wasn't like no 7 minutes in heaven. It was like 7 seconds of like hell. Like, I don't know. I wish that I could have caught that. I'm getting the. It's got to come back here. It's been going up. It's been going up like this, right? But I think that at least to here, cause it's like all this missing price. And in this level, like, I don't know, price likes this level. I know it likes this level because all the stop losses, they're like right here. They're chilling. They're chilling right here, right? This candle, all the stop losses, like, fucking shot the thing into the stratosphere, right? So once it breaks this low, I'm just gonna go for a sell, and then we're gonna cut it. Once it breaks that consolidation, we're gonna get that. Oh. Head, ass, and shoulders. All right, here we go. Come back up. One more dump to the downside. Oh, come on, give me a dump. Give me a dump. That ain't no dumper. That's a retest. No. Okay. Oh, he don't even like being there. Yeah, okay. This is the candle right here. This is this doji. Oh, it's not. I just hit space bars. Okay. This is the candle. This is the candle. You got like come on. Look at how big this is. It engulfs like half the day of price. Like it just is. I feel it. It's not the right way to trade. I just want to get this. It's a hero call. We're going, putting it above the wick, 30 pips stop loss. We're going down. We're going way down to there. Man, that's very far. But 30 pips, you can afford. You can afford this. 30 pips to 500. Let's get it. What is that in math terms? I don't even know if I'm doing this right. 560 divided by 30. 118 trade. Just for the heck of it. Oh, no you didn't. No you didn't. No you didn't. Okay, what she has to go down. Look at the consolidated. Come on, man. She tired. All right. I'm gonna have to do it. I'm sorry, y'all. I have to be right today. That's the ego. That's the ego of the trader talking. That's the ego of the trader talking. Don't listen to him. Oh, there we go. Come on. Come on. Don't do it. Here, let me go to the 4 hour. I'm just trolling now. like not even trading anymore. Just fucking like. Oh man. Fuck this.